Hey everyone, Barca here. Get ready for an epic showdown. We're talking brilliant engineers versus a super smart AI. It's like a Bollywood movie plot, but in real life. Think Three Idiots meets Robot. Exciting, right? So picture this, a room buzzing with nervous energy. The best engineers from across India all set for a challenge. But here's the twist. Their competition wasn't another human team. It was an AI, a computer program designed to think and learn like us, but way faster. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle against a machine that can analyze thousands of possibilities in a second. That's the kind of pressure these engineers were facing. Would human ingenuity prevail, or would the AI outsmart them all? Get ready for a nail-biting competition where only one team can emerge victorious. On one side, we had the best and brightest engineers, a team that was the envy of the tech world. These were people who thrived on challenges and loved to push the boundaries of what was possible. These were folks who could build bridges, design rockets, and probably even fix your Wi-Fi with their eyes closed. Their expertise spanned everything from civil engineering to cutting-edge aerospace, and they brought a sense of fun to every project. They were masters of logic, creativity, and out-of-the-box thinking. Every brainstorming session felt like a mini adventure, with ideas bouncing around the room and sparking new possibilities. Leading the pack was Maya, a coding ninja who could write complex algorithms before breakfast. Her passion for technology was contagious, inspiring everyone around her to reach higher and dream bigger. Then there was Arjun, the problem-solving pro, famous for finding solutions no one else could even imagine. He thrived on tackling the toughest challenges and always had a trick up his sleeve. And let's not forget Priya, the queen of efficiency who could optimize anything from a code to a chai break. Her knack for streamlining processes kept the team running like a well-oiled machine. On the other side was the AI, a product of years of research and development, built by some of the brightest minds in the field. It was more than just lines of code. It was a technological marvel. This wasn't just any AI. This one was built to mimic the human brain's ability to learn and adapt. It could process information, make connections, and evolve its thinking, just like a real person. It could analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even predict outcomes with stunning accuracy. The AI was always learning, growing smarter with every new piece of information it encountered. Think of it as a superpowered version of the suggestions you get on your phone, but on a much grander scale. This AI could anticipate needs, offer insights, and help solve problems in ways that seemed almost magical. The challenge was designed to test not just engineering skills, but also strategic thinking, creativity, and adaptability under pressure. It was more than a simple contest. It was a true test of innovation and teamwork. Imagine a giant digital jigsaw puzzle, but instead of colorful pictures, it was filled with intricate engineering problems and technical riddles that demanded sharp minds and quick thinking. The teams had to collaborate closely, analyzing streams of